Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm literally right here at a dealership. I just got here, but I'm about to pick up my brand new car. I can't wait for you guys to see what I got. I am super excited. I hope you guys like it. Let me go get my car. That's not my car. That's the homie Wildish. She has to be here for the big reveal. This is the first time I've ever looked at the car. They never even hit the dealership or anything like that. Got the homie Wildish and my dad walking up to the car. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna show you right now, but let's see. Wow, yo, that's nice. I'm gonna make you guys watch the next video to see what I got, but just listen to that beautiful rumble. You guys might know what it is. This is the first time I've ever even looked at it because it came straight from the rail yard meeting and never hit the dealership. I gotta talk a little loud just because the car is pretty loud. Dang, this is super nice. What do you think?
It's clean. I like the color.
I'm digging this for sure. I can't wait for you guys to see the next video to show you what I got. I'm gonna end it at this. Wow.